New Delhi woke up today under a thick, choking haze as air quality levels plunged to their worst category, severe Jor, prompting India's Supreme Court to take the unprecedented step of directing lawyers and litigants to shift hearings online until conditions improve. This crisis has been years in the making, but the last 48 hours have dramatically accelerated the situation. A combination of crop burning in Punjab and Haryana, stagnant winter air, vehicular congestion, and industrial emissions pushed the Air Quality Index (AQI) past 450 in several parts of Delhi NCR, far above the safe limit of -50. The Supreme Court, observing the gravity of the situation, declared that even masks may not be sufficient, emphasizing that toxic particulate levels have now entered a zone with long-term health implications. This directive, rare in India's judicial history, underscores the seriousness of the crisis. For millions of residents, the impact is immediate and severe. Schools have suspended outdoor activities, emergency rooms have reported spikes in respiratory complaints, and construction has been halted under GRAPIV guidelines. Visibility on major highways, including the Yamuna Expressway, dropped sharply, causing delays and minor accidents. Experts point out that the crisis is not just environmental, it is economic, social, and political. Seasonal smog has become an annual phenomenon, but its intensity now raises deeper questions about agricultural practices, urban planning, and long-term governance failures. This year, meteorological conditions made things worse. Low wind speeds trapped pollutants closer to the ground, turning Delhi into a gas chamber by dawn. While the Delhi government has reintroduced odd-even discussions and air purifier advisories, the Supreme Court's intervention marks the strongest institutional push so far. The directive to shift proceedings online is symbolic of a broader reality. Life in the capital cannot continue normally when the air itself is toxic. As politicians trade blame, citizens are left hoping for strong, coordinated action, not just seasonal firefighting.